Crash test. In this opportunity, we have on one side the cheapest sedan from Hyundai sold in the US market, which is the Accent. This car is made in Mexico. And on the other side, we have the cheapest sedan from Hyundai sold in the Mexican market and all over Latin America. It's the Grand i10. This car comes from a plant in India.
So here you have the Mexican version of the Hyundai, least expensive version of a sedan that you can buy there. But unfortunately in the crash test you can see that the body shell has really crumpled extremely badly with the forces of the crash. The door area has collapsed, the A-pillar is bent, the steering wheel has moved back, and with just 2 airbags the level of protection in the occupant zone is really rather poor, with a high risk of fatal or serious injury. The contrast with this version, which is an American Hyundai, the body shell has really performed well. There are 6 airbags. You can see even the windscreen is more or less intact.
One reason why manufacturers might be doing these kind of differences across the border is one type of regulation in the Mexican market and the other one in the US market.